Get ready to be amazed by the incredible world of modern agriculture. We're rediving deep into the most powerful and innovative farming machines of 2025. From colossal tractors to intelligent harvesters, these Agri Gears are revolutionizing how we grow our food. First up, look at this absolute beast. This isn't just a tractor, it's a mobile command center, packed with GPS, auto-steer, AI-powered sensors, and a fully connected cabin. This machine can plow, plant, and prepare massive fields with pinpoint accuracy, day or night. It analyzes soil conditions in real time, adjusting its tools to ensure every single seed gets the perfect start. The sheer power and precision are mind-blowing, turning what used to be weeks of hard labor into a task completed in just a few days. The operator could monitor everything from a series of touchscreens, making farming more efficient than ever before. Now, let's move from planting to harvesting. Witness the future of harvesting with this next-generation combine harvester. It's like a factory on wheels. As it moves through the field, it doesn't just cut the crop. It threshes, separates, and cleans the grain with incredible speed. Advanced optical sorters can even detect and eject low-quality grains or foreign materials on the fly. The data it collects on yield and crop health is instantly uploaded to the cloud, giving farmers a detailed map of their field's performance. This information is crucial for planning the next season and maximizing output. But what about specialized crops? Check out this innovative vegetable harvester. Designed for delicate produce like lettuce or broccoli, it uses a combination of gentle conveyor belts and precise cutting mechanisms. Some models even use water jets or air blasts to harvest leafy greens without bruising them. This level of sophistication ensures that fresh produce gets from the farm to your table in the best possible condition, reducing waste and improving quality. Farming isn't just about open fields. Managing orchards and vineyards requires a different kind of machinery. Here we have a compact, agile tractor designed specifically for navigating tight rows of trees and vines. It can be equipped with various attachments, from sprayers that target only the plants to pruners that trim branches with robotic precision. These smaller machines are just as technologically advanced as their larger counterparts, bringing efficiency and sustainability to every corner of the farm. Let's talk about earth moving. Before you can plant anything, you often need to prepare the land. That's where heavy-duty equipment like this excavator comes in. While you might associate excavators with construction sites, they are indispensable in agriculture for digging irrigation channels, clearing land, and creating terraces on hilly terrain. This modern model features a 360-degree camera system and laser-guided grading, allowing the operator to sculpt the land with incredible accuracy, improving water management and preventing soil erosion. Now, for something truly futuristic, autonomous farming robots. These small, electric-powered units are changing the game. Another incredible piece of technology is the drone sprayer. These aerial wonders can cover vast or difficult-to-reach areas with ease. They create a precise 3D map of the field and apply fertilizers or pesticides only where needed. A practice known as precision spraying. This not only saves the farmer money on resources, but also significantly reduces the environmental impact of farming. It's a win-win for both the farm's budget and the planet. Handling the harvest is another major task. Look at this massive grain cart, pulled by an equally powerful tractor. It works in tandem with the combine harvester, allowing it to unload grain on the move. This non-stop process is called on-the-go unloading, and it's a critical part of maintaining efficiency during the short, intense harvest window. The cart's operator uses GPS to sync their speed and position perfectly with the harvester. After the harvest, the work isn't over. This enormous baler scoops up the leftover straw and compresses it into dense, transportable bales. These bales can be used for animal bedding, feed, or even as a source of biofuel. Modern balers can produce bales of varying sizes and densities, all while tracking the moisture content to prevent. It's a perfect example of how modern agriculture aims to use every part of the plant, leaving nothing to waste. Let's circle back to soil preparation. This high-speed disc harrow is a master of tillage, pulled by a powerful tractor. Its sharp discs slice through the soil, breaking up crop residue and preparing a perfect seedbed. The angle and depth of the discs can be adjusted from the cab, allowing the operator to adapt to different soil types and conditions on the fly. This ensures the soil is perfectly aerated and ready for planting. Finally, we have the self-propelled sprayer. This machine looks like something out of a sci-fi movie with its towering booms that can span over 100 feet. It's designed to apply nutrients and crop protection products with incredible precision. Each nozzle on the boom can be individually controlled, turning on and off automatically to avoid overspraying on headlands or previously treated areas. This level of control is essential for modern, responsible farming. From the brute force of the excavator to the delicate touch of a robotic weeder, these machines are the unsung heroes of our food system. They represent the perfect blend of power, intelligence, and innovation. The future of agriculture is here, and it's more efficient, sustainable, and technologically advanced than ever before. Thanks for joining us on this tour of amazing agri. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible machine showcases. See you next time.